don't ever marry if you are in any of these 10 circumstances. Number 1, because you have had sex. Don't because of having sex with somebody and enter into marriage with him or her. Number 2, because you are pregnant. You're pregnant for the man, or your fiancé is pregnant for you. It's not the right reason for marriage. Number 3, because you want to rebound, because you've been guilted or hurt in your former relationship, and you quickly want to pick up another person without having your hearts being healed, and you want to enter into marriage, you'll be entering into another trouble. Number 4, because you are afraid to hurt this other person by breaking up, even though you have seen the wrong signals and you know it, that this marriage will not work. Don't because of, I don't want to hurt him, I don't want to hurt her, and now push yourself into it. We have years of regret, if not eternal regret. Number 5, because of a negative image you have about yourself, or you are looking for financial security, you are trying to marry to improve your status or to make your life meaningful. Marriage does not make your life, or cannot make any life meaningful. It is God that does it. Number 6, because of fear of remaining single, you don't want people to call that you have been an old bachelor or an old maid. Don't marry because of, to avoid peer pressure or society pressure. Then number 7, to spite or revenge at your parents who have used derogative words and to hurt you, and you want to pay them back by jumping into a marriage. Be careful. Number 8, to escape from reality that you need to face and settle. You say, I'm tired of loneliness. Loneliness is boring. I am facing boredom. Or you are in a home that is dysfunctional. Your background is bad. The home where your family life is a crisis, is a war zone. And because of that, you want to jump. You don't know that where you are going, you are also going to cause trouble there. And number 9, don't marry to pity someone. When you marry to pity someone instead of genuine love, you will regret it. And lastly, don't marry to be a converter, or to be a savior, or to be a counselor, or a marriage therapist. You cannot save anybody. You cannot convert anybody. Nobody enter into marriage with a mindset that I will teach him, I will teach her. You will find your life in a terrible mess. Don't go into marriage because of these 10 wrong reasons. Like this video, ask your question, share it, and subscribe. God bless you.